Hey, what is up guys? So today's video, we're going diving into a fun and a practical tutorial. We're going to build something cool in Godot 4. If you're following along, you're about to learn how to create a touch-based start screen for your game. That's right, instead of using a boring old button to start the game, we're going to let the player touch anywhere on the screen to get things rolling. This is a great little feature for mobile games and it's super easy to set up in Godot. Even if you're new to Godot, don't worry. I'm going to walk you through every step, from setting up the scene to writing the script. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a clean, professional start screen that makes your game feel more interactive and intuitive. So grab your coffee, open up Godot, and let's start building something awesome. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe for more game devs tutorial and tips. Alright, let's jump into it. So, uh, now we're going to create a user interface, right? So, in this control, let's change its name as start menu, or everything you want to rename it, you know, doesn't matter. Okay, start menu. Then let's save it for now as the start menu. Then if you want to add some texture rec, alright, this texture rec is for uh, optionally add for the background, right, as a child of the control node, but there's no button needed. So maybe for now let's just put it here. Maybe this is our example background. Alright, then let's save it for once. Then now let's create a node of our main game. For example, main game. Oops. Alright, then save it. Alright, then maybe we could give it our player here. Okay, let's put it here. Then save it. So now let's attach this script to the control node and override the input events. So function to detect touch events or mouse clicks. So okay, so let's create. Then let's remove this. So now let's give it a function. Function input. As you can see, there's an event input event here. Press enter. Then let's start if event is input event screen touch or event is input oh input event mouse button. Right, then if event dot press, so only detects the press if not release. Okay, so this function is to detect touch or click input. Okay, so now let's load and change to the main game scene. So let's give it a variable of a game scene. And then okay, is equal to load. Then you can see we have a main game here, right? So press enter, or you could drop drag and drop here, and there you go. Now So let's get it a, now we have to adjust the path, right? So we have to adjust the path to your main game scene. So now get 3 dot change. So as you can see, we can do the change to file or pack, because in the main game scene, if you put many things in here, it should be pack, right? Or maybe file. No, it's just a pack. Then is it pack? Okay. Then game scene. So now when we hit play, it should be, wait, should be, let's right click here and set as a main scene. So when we hit play, oh, okay, then when we click it, there you go.